Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Imagine you're driving on a snowy road and want to turn left. There's an oncoming truck ahead, and a tanker truck with flashing lights is approaching the intersection from the right. Who should yield to in this situation? It seems like a simple question, but it's where many drivers make mistakes. Let's see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. You intend to turn left. What should you do? Option A, yield to both trucks. Option B, yield to the truck on the right. Option C, yield to the oncoming vehicle. Option D, yield to neither. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's get to it. In the picture, we see three vehicles about to make a turn at an uncontrolled intersection. According to traffic regulations, a driver turning left must yield to oncoming vehicles approaching straight ahead or to the right. This is the blue truck. Since there are no right-of-way at an uncontrolled intersection, the right-of-way rule also applies. You must yield to a vehicle approaching from the right. This is the tanker truck. In this case, its yellow light doesn't give you the right-of-way, it merely warns. However, the right-of-way rule still applies. So, before you begin your left turn, you yield to both the oncoming blue truck and the tanker truck approaching from the right, and then perform the maneuver when the lanes are clear. So, confess, who among you answered correctly quickly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.